You know, you can't separate that well, it's almost laughable, isn't it? Award of damages against Alex Jones from the onslaught on freedom of speech and the alternative media and alternative opinion that's been going on from all angles, government, Silicon Valley, media, all of it. Because I said a long time ago that the plan was to reach a point where no one ever saw or heard anything that wasn't approved by authority. And that's where we're heading. That's what all the censorship is all about. And the reason for it is that the official narrative coming out of this global cult to explain and justify the world going in the direction that it wants, i.e. to tyranny, would never in 1,000 million years stand up to open debate and scrutiny. And the free flow of information, it wouldn't, because it's so ridiculous. And so the idea is to destroy all alternative sources of information. And that's what this award, 50 million in the first case, now over $1 billion, and it's likely to be well over $1 billion apparently with legal costs and whatever the judge throws in. And we have seen with Alex 2 show trials in which he was not allowed even to defend himself. His lawyers were not allowed to defend him. And it was just the most blatant abuse of what we call justice.